Hey everyone! Are you up late? Feeling those sudden midnight cravings, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? Well, today I've got the perfect easy recipe to satisfy those late night munchies. It's quick, simple, and delicious. Let's make a peanut butter banana toast. All you need is 1 ripe banana, 2 slices of whole wheat bread, peanut butter, a drizzle of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. First, toast your bread until it's nice and crispy. While that's toasting, slice up your banana into thin rounds. Now, spread a generous layer of peanut butter on each slice of toast. This is where all the creamy goodness happens. Next, add your banana slices right on top of the peanut butter. Look at that, it's already coming together. Drizzle some honey for a little sweetness, and finish it off with a pinch of cinnamon. It adds the perfect touch of warmth and spice. That's it. You've got yourself a satisfying, healthy snack that takes no time at all. Perfect for those late-night cravings, or when you just want something tasty before bed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this easy recipe, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple snack ideas. See you next time.